Hello YouTube, it is I, Hinton T85, here with paranormal activity footage. Not like the movie, but the real deal. You see my videos, you know I'm 100% real. And as I was walking out the bedroom, I seen some type of figure, shadowy figure. And, you know me, scared, but yet, I guess, excited. Just to catch something on this. So, here we go. Let's see what's out there. 3, 2, 1. Turn the light here. Dark here. Nothing so far. I'm turning the kitchen light, got a little spook. Okay. Okay. Stupid wall. What? Kitchen light just turned off by itself. What was that? It's up here. It's dropping stuff. Okay. Literally, this is not me doing this. Switch is not even nearby. Oh, shucks. Demon, come out. Show yourself. I command you.